My name is Daniel Badulis and I am 24 years old. Barangay is where I was born and raised. Tico Pontevedra Capiz. I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Hotel Management. Went a course cruise ship specialization at Leo de la Concepcion. I picked this course because I am convinced that it will help me achieve my long-term objective of becoming a successful individual. Yes, if I had the chance to do it all over again, I would continue to work in the same field because it is what I want in the first place. This is because it is my ambition to travel to other countries and see a variety of beautiful places, while also earning money for my future. My ability to manage my time in business is without a word my greatest strength despite particular in a number of extracurricular activities during my senior year. I managed to maintain a 3.85 GPA and I was a co-manager in or business. Everything is contingent on how I feeling and how much energy I have on my some days I feel great and try to organize something exactly to do with friends and I work the great garden of I simple to from a walk in the sunshine. On other days, however, I am exhausted that when I listen to music, watch a show on my laptop, or even those of have the qualifications for this possible. I have excellent communication skills and physically fit and I have understanding my time management abilities and the ability to think on my feet. So if I'm no struggling to juggling multiple chores and projects. Years of experience have properly prepared me for this role. You started the customer service is a key aspect of this profession. Well, I have been in the business area of a long time and I have dealt with a lot of people solve that covered. I believe I walk out of college a much more self-assured, mature, and confident person that went initially enrolled, having previously lived inside the confines on my house. College and house still life provide me with the opportunity to venture outside of the comfort zone. For starters, I propose all of the qualification and experiences and be fitted in the job description and I am confident in any ability to contribute immediately to your firm. Chosen for this position, I will continue to provide high quality work to ensure your organizations. I'm really excited about this opening. In the next 5 years, I would like to be recognized as expert in this sector. This job will for sure provide me with a golden opportunity to do the same since I already have a few years of work experience. I am excited to take up managerial responsibilities in the coming few years. If I am very hard, my arm for the time in upcoming years is to master my position and advice in this area. I am confident that this approach to training will allow to me to like new skills and advance in this position. I see myself taking on new and exciting tasks inside the business over the next 5 years, which will prepare me for a stronger position in the organization. Yes, I want to finish my organization since it is a significant impact on your sense of right and wrong. You will become wiser as a result for your education and will be able to make your own decisions. And as a experience, I believe that life experience is the finished teacher. One My biggest weakness is that I can sit still and focus for extended periods of time. I was never a bookworm. I always prepared athletics and hands-on activities to make sure that I got through school with good grades. Set study goals in myself, I would sit still and focus on these materials of 30 minutes. After I was myself with a break to run around the socialize the system me is descriptive and helped me focus. Get easily fluctuated by people who don't work every hard, but I know people have different work style and different work behind, so if it could change something, I would like to be more understanding. I prepared for this interview by researching your company history and the job description provided to me. I am confident in my candidacy for this role and look forward to showing your my skills self. Yes, I feel achieved because I made wrote it did my very best. Yes, I customers slip 1,000 for this packet. As he was leaving his table with I abroad, to manager displayed that back in I may have ignored it is collected an extra 1,000 pesos that they choose to follow him and hand up his money. He expressed the thankfulness abundantly and I will hope that every to send an email to the business expressing his gratitude. My good events demonstrate that my ideas concerned with most of the organization and ideas and my advantage during my time there. I am selling a person that pays between 45,000 and 55 pesos. Presently, but I am open to regulate salary depending on benefits, bonuses, different tax options, and their opinions. I previously earned 10,000 to 30,000 a month. Based on job requirements, with the skills and my knowledge, skill, and experience, I will express the salary range of the position to be double because of the years passed by.